Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen time not working on iPhone on iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and facing the issue that your screen time is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to tap on this app and website activity here, then tap and turn on app and website activity, and your screen time will be enabled because sometimes it might be that you have disabled your screen time activity, so you might see this type error. So once you have enabled your screen time activity, your issue will be fixed. Now you can easily use your screen time. But if you're facing the issue that your screen time is already enabled but it's not working properly, so let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply go back and just go to general. The very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to software update here and just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, just go back and just try to make a force restart to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, go to settings here, go to screen time, and you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so just go back and here go to general. Go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone settings. If there will be any issue with your any iPhone setting, it will be fixed in the steps, so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.